Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Office District Tuberculosis Officer Ribhoi District Haga Khandai Tuk Nailur Arajar Pausan. Claraki Kalingko Snam Kabalai Jong Pradhan Mantri TB Muk Bharat Abhiyan Daga Basam Jingbam Teimet Sigi Khatlai Ngut Nongpang TB Hapok Kathem Ribhoi Kibadan Hapadeng Jingsha Sumar Balano Senyang Du Samla Pendaplang Walang Bat Naga Company Ni Zone Pipes and Structures and NTL Steels na Byrnihat Kumki Nikshe Mitra Haga Jingalang Kablalong Conference Hall Jong Nongpo Civil Hospital. Hakari gasngi lasa kilang daga District Medical and Health Officer ke Ribhoi District ke Dr. A.R. Marak ke Belalong Kum ke Kongsan ke District Tuberculosis Officer ke Dr. E. Kalwing Usamla Pendaplang Walang kinami khmat naga company berkhalangut Nongpang TB.
Mapi ki patient si masyam ya ki bayo ya kena Jingbam pidon apdeng kamet ban yale ya kena Jingbam Pidon ke jingle ke bakrau ban yak fight ya kena Jingbam I Dr. Kalwing la ong nga ba pendap subase Ïarap lem na banta kini ki patient ki jongi ki bamat ya kena Jingbam TB klem da kerna ngala kongu ban Ïarap katu kat Ngut ngam syamtip ya kasaka Perdana Menteri TB Muk Bharat Abhiyan handai habanga pule ya Kaya kena kat TB Muk Bharat abang apek kadai ka way na ki campaign ka balatik initiative na ka sarkar India ngadon ka mansim Ïarap BP mapiru ban Ïarap dalade nin support BP da ki Jingbam mapiru tolong ki Batista ban di ba ki dawai ban le ba hagi kisem ki jongpi minat top tik patik kumba ki doktor ki on pendap ya ki dus tik patik kawai bakal kwa ban khot ya wer lang ru ba mengi ki pait ba kumba ka ke campaign jong ka sokar India ban eliminate ya ka Jingbam TB hadu usnam arajar lai ko la maklamo doktor tong ini trelang ya wer lang ya pi ki Samla ki baklan ka dong Ribhoi ki Samla ki badon mensim ban Ïarap ya ki bapang TB ki basyam ya kena Jingbam ki don ki baduk ki basyam ki jing ha jingim hakiyin ki sam ki jongki ngakot la ya pi ki Samla tongin kener ki indon ka mensim ban Ïarap lem ya ki pra mensim jongi ki bamat ya kena ki Jingbam ki bambayale ya kena Jingbam da bangin support ki langba ke Jingbam kebala ban yo saisin ya ke Jingbam ha king kasam ke jongki ke jingpu sam ki ha king kisam ke jingki dei ke jing ya snok ti lang ke jongi lang baro hapo ka them Ribhoi
both the groups for contributing to the community. We have to reason ourselves. So I request the media people also contribute little bit to the society. All the staffs present in the hospital, present in the MNH office, if each one contribute, it is not much. 1,000 tomorrow you go to Nongpang Bazaar and you spend it and you don't have any calculation on it. 1,000 just goes away from our hand. But instead, if we donate that 1,000 for the needy, because when they are taking TB medicines, as a doctor I know that they are very powerful drugs. Even if a person from a well-to-do eating good food and taking the TB drugs, still that person will feel some weakness in the body. Imagine our friends, our TB patients who do not have good food to eat, who do not get food every day. Because from studies, it is also well established that this particular kind of disease happens in lower socio-economic group.
Haka district Kuchungi and the representative and Nizam pipe and structure from Byrnihat and also iba pendap walang na umling ide iriu simet iba lala ban hino asniang ya kini ke Pradhan Menteri TV Muk Bharat Abhiyan. Dikini ke Pradhan Menteri TV Muk Bharat Abhiyan lapli perda ika da Presiden Jongari India Draupadi Murmu hausniam Arhajar Arpuar haka khandai tarik September. Imanta kadai kasin kasniam kabalai ya kabaladap ya kani ka jingrakhe yani kani ka initiative ka jingtmu thumai da ka ba Ïarap ban ai ke Jingbam ya ki Nongpang TV kat bekidang di dawai.